Hello creators! In this video, we'll learn about Clash Squad in the Free Fire Editor Classic module. It is a classic game type in Free Fire Craftland. Clash Squad is an existing mode of the classic template that allows players to run it fully without editing the game logic. In this mode, two teams engage in combats for several rounds. The team with the highest round score wins. Upon entering the match, the total score of both sides and the winning target score are displayed on the top of the screen. The status of the members of both teams will also be shown, with solid representing active, hollow representing knocked down, and gray representing eliminated. If all players of one party are eliminated, the round will be settled. After the victorious team wins the match point, Clash Squad will come to an end. Next, let's learn about the relevant data settings for Clash Squad. Create a Clash Squad mode map in the editor. Choose the origin island. After entering, we can see that one end of the map belongs to the red flag team, and the other end belongs to the blue flag team. These two areas are the spawn points of the red and blue teams fixed by the system, respectively. Tap on the settings interface and enter the Clash Squad edit page. We can edit the game-specific data of Clash Squad here. The Reset button at the bottom resets the data to default, and the OK button allows us to save our data in time. First, let's start with the highlights of the mechanism. Maximum rounds. Tweaking this helps us control the duration of an entire match. Here, we can only choose the number of rounds set by the system, 3, 5, or 7. You can also choose the system's default value, which is 3 rounds. Number of players per team. This can be used to adjust on how many players are in each team. When we adjust the number of players per team to 1, the match changes into a 1 versus 1 match. The radius of the first safe zone. This helps us control the initial firefight density. Generally, the smaller the radius, the more intense the firefight will be. However, we need to pay attention to whether the spawn points are located in the safe zone. Continuous HP deduction before the firefight can be very unfriendly to the player experience. Zone shrink start time. This data allows us to control the end time of a single round, and the reduction of the zone shrinking time will also prompt the two teams to move closer to the center and engage in firefights, facilitating the end of the game. Spectator options. And here's the general section. We can adjust the basic settings freely here. We can also adjust skill settings to change the character balance. Finally, there are adjustments to various objects in the game. We can shape the map into the desired form by adjusting building density, creating advantageous shooting platforms, and other methods. We will improve this map in the next video. In this video, we took a first look at Clash Squad in the Free Fire Editor Classic module. We sincerely hope that you can benefit from the tutorial and start your own creations. Thank you for watching.